Life is too precious to waste on you.
Let his power be known!
When I'm ready, and not before.
What secrets are you hiding in that murderous mind of yours? Let's find out. Valdo had some ingenious designs hidden in his memories. Observe! Rayclass needs me! Valdo's designs were flawed. Do you remember dying here? You will. What are you? In this, the realm of the past, I am king, and you will bow. This one is my own creation.
I need more mana.
Ha! Plenty more where that came from. Face your destruction. Burn away, sin! No! Impossible! How? This isn't over. This will never be over. I will unify humanity